respectfully extend the greetings of the people of Cagayan. We have here with us our beloved Provincial Chief Executive, Honorable General Edgar B. Aguipay, Governor of the Province of Cagayan.
Good morning, Mayor.